white height. We set all the options here. Nothing actually. Main activity, second activity. Okay. Image view, and that's it. Okay, now we just set a bundle which will catch the key of actually button 1, button 2, and so many out there actually. Bundle sorry is equal to get intent.get extras. Okay, it will say actually catch the it will catch the key of the button 1, button 2, and button 3 what we set actually in the main activity. And if we will set bundle is equal to not now, then string button name will catch the key in here, key get string. Okay, and we will pass it in a function button name, but it shows a warning because we didn't implement the function void details string button name. Whatever we want actually, we can keep the name of that. Okay, string button if button name dot equals button 1, then we just set text viewer set text, and we will actually set a text from strings. We will copy the text from my previous app because this is so time consuming. Biography App. You can actually copy the text and paste in here from internet. I just collected them from internet. Okay, first we just copy here. You can pause the video and say write the text copy. Okay, strings copy. Next one is childhood part 2. Childhood part 2, you can copy this part from here. Okay, now we will copy this string. And we have actually one or two strings left. Oh, it's a lot. Copy as plain text. Oh, that's not actually. Can you change anything? Dictionary career part 2. Next one is villages below. Okay. This time we will copy this string. Okay, my Biography App, and paste it in here. Later like true. This is not actually necessary in our pages. Okay, last one is legacy. Today we will just set the buttons and in the text view and the image view. Actually what we did in the second activity in the XML file actually. Okay, we just set to a text view and an image view, and we pass the key from main value activity to second activity, and we just catch them through a key. In here we checked that the value actually what we actually passed from the main activity. Okay, if the button is button 1, and we will set the text view dot set text. Okay, what will we set in here? First one text was the strings. So okay, childhood part 1. Okay, child r dot string dot childhood part 1. That's it. Actually image view dot set resources r dot drawable dot. But the question is that where we did find here. Actually I downloaded many images and just copy and pasted it in the drawables. Copy that image and paste it into where. Okay, but I copied it in previous times actually, that's why it won't make whatever. But the rest images I did the same actually, and I just copied it from internet and pasted it in here actually. That's it. I will just copy it in 4 times for 5 buttons. So we have already one exist. 1 2 3 4. Okay, oh, sorry. Now I just set the buttons, button 2, and in this part we will set that young nose strings go to this main activity, main XML carrier. Okay, carrier part 1. Okay, carrier nozzles carrier. Okay, and in this part we will set first button name change. Okay, button name change, and what we will do here, religious belief actually. Okay, religious belief, nostrils religious. Okay, button 4, and we just will set here later life 1. Okay, and set images later nostrils, and in button 5 we will set legacy. Okay, and we won't set any images for legacy. If you want to edit an image, you can download it from internet and set here, just we did in the past. Okay, let's run the code. Actually, it's time to run the code. It will take some time actually, because Android Studio is so heavy, and see update check failure. Okay, close this ribbon. Oh, it will take some time actually. Childhood and early life. Okay, my biography app stops. We missed any items, or we have mistake. Okay, let's debug the code. Text view, and we initialize, but in the XML second we just set, sorry, we just set it, set the ID text view .1, but we set in the text view. This is actually the main main activity text view. We set it in here, that's why it crashes. Hope so it will solve now. Prefer hope it won't crash this time actually. Oh, okay, pretty good. It works. Vital life. Okay, let's preview the code. For the last time, in the activity main, we just took the same thing, a text view and some buttons, 5 buttons, and we just set the text in here from strings. We set the text name in the strings. I have showed there. Okay, then we just find the text view and the buttons, and just set down click listener, and I used view.onClick listener in here. You can use that in the middle of the code actually. What method you want to follow, that's not actually a big deal. That's okay. Now in this time actually, when you clicked on the button, it's just pass ID, we know that, and I just check that if the button is button, if the ID is of the button 1, then we just set an intent on the button, and we just take an object of the intent, and we initialize the intent in here. Okay, and we just pass the main activity to second activity. We just go through the intent to main activity to second activity, and we passed actually value, key and value, and the rest buttons are the same. And in here we second activity we just set a text view and a image view. Okay, in the second activity we just set a bundle class, because bundle class will actually hold the key which we passed. Okay, if the bundle is null, or that means if we pass any key, that means it won't null, then we go through this if block, and we said that we hold the key in here button name, and we just passed it in the details functions. And in here we say that if the button name is button 1, I mean we just check the value or key. What is this value? Actually value, we just set a text and a image view for it, and I showed how we did it. Actually the rest button are the same and the code runs. That's all actually.